Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft Edge is about to get a feature that I'm pretty sure a lot of Chrome users would like to have, and maybe it'd be good on every browser. It will be a way to manually set the maximum amount of RAM that the browser will use. And so this is right now in the latest versions, developer versions. And as you can see here, this is what you'll have here. Control how much RAM Edge can use. And you have from 1 to 16 gigabytes. And when you go really down to the bottom, it will actually warn you about what you will be using and impact in performance. So this probably is going to be an interesting thing. We know that Edge, like Chrome, takes quite a lot of RAM sometimes when you have multiple tabs and pages open. And a lot of people are, kind of wondering, how can I limit the amount of memory used by the browser? So this is apparently going to be something coming in a future version of Edge. So this is going to be interesting. And also, what we've learned with this latest version is that if your PC Windows is not activated, you're not going to access some of the settings within Edge. We already know that when you're not activated, although Windows still works, there is a block of personalization and some of the settings. But now Edge would also have some of the settings blocked, like the ability to put your own favorite start page. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.